Previously on Miss Cowart's journey. Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Today I'm showing you my results after trying the CARDI B hair mask. Now, as you could tell by the title, my hair locked up like crazy after trying the CARDI B Homemade Hair Mask. So here I'm just showing you I was detangling my hair. I jumped in the shower after finger detangling my hair just to rinse out all the product. And then we're going to jump into all of my conditioners and shampoos that I use. I will list all of them in the description. I am also showing them inside of the video, so you can actually just go to my Amazon store and you can shop my Amazon store if you're interested. However, like I said, all of the products will be listed in the description for your convenience. So prior to using the hair mask, I am using the Biotin Conditioner and Shampoo. It does have keratin in it, which means it does have protein. Now, I know what you're saying, Marquencia, that's a lot. Yes, it's a lot with the mask because the mask has 2 eggs and mayonnaise, which is protein. I did not realize how much protein it was until after I started making it. I was like, this is a lot of protein. So, I mean, it's partially my fault. This is a lot, but typically, even when I do an egg, I don't put 2 on my hair. So, I'm relaxed. I just have to be very careful about just not jumping on bandwagons, but I did want to try it out. The next time I will try it, I would not be putting the eggs inside of the mixture. After washing my hair with my Biotin shampoo, I then went in with my black castor oil shampoo. I purchased this from Ross. It was $7.99. I really enjoy this because it is moisturizing and it also has a black castor oil in it, so it does help with growth. But also, can you see the lather? It's aesthetically pleasing just when I feel a bunch of suds on my hair. I enjoy it. It's sulfate free, paraben free, so get into it, you all. It really left my hair just feeling moisturized, but again, yet clean. Next, I'm going in the Biotin Conditioner. This has the ginger oil, shea butter, argan oil. I'm going to make sure that I focus on my new growth as well as my ends because that's the oldest part of my hair and that's the area that we need to make sure that we are able to retain that length. I will say with this Biotin product, like the constantly having to squirt it in my hands, I eventually just open up the bottle and squirt it onto my hands. Next, I'm going in with my Almond and Avocado Moisturizing Detangler Conditioner. I needed this because, like I said, I just used the keratin, so I wanted to do a little bit softening of my hair as well as my new growth before I went in with the mask. And I hope that you are able to see, though I'm in the shower, my hair is feeling very soft. It's feeling clean, but yet it's feeling very soft. So here I'm showing you the CARDI B mask, in which it smells really good. I heard someone say that it had a funny smell to it, but I really like the smell. It smells like honey, it smells like bananas. Just showing you up close what my hair looks like. I will say immediately putting this on my hair, it felt like dry. It felt like what it was supposed to be, a protein. So I went in with my olive oil from ORS to kind of try to help balance out that protein, but whew, and then you all, I went under the dryer. Do not go under the dryer. It's a huge no-no. Look at my locks. I have locks everywhere. So I am depending on my Aussie Moist from Amazon to get your girl right, because this stuff usually gets my hair just feeling really soft, and I can't lie, I was scared. I knew immediately after that I had a protein overload. I was like, oh no. But I know that protein and moisture, all I need to do is to find that balance again, getting that balance of pH in my hair. Aussie, thank God. I went in also with my Amla Gold Oil, again from Amazon, just to kind of seal in that conditioner, because your girl got to go back under the dryer. Comment down below if you've tried this homemade Cardi B mask. I had someone comment in my comment section letting me know that they use this. If you do use it, do you use the eggs? Do you use just one egg? Do you not implement the eggs? Because I won't the next time. I will be doing this again, but without the eggs. So I could tell that my hair was softening up. It wasn't softening up enough though to the expectation that I wanted from this wash day. So I just kept making sure that I just felt throughout my roots and my ends just to kind of feel what it felt like, just so I know I need to go back in. I was under the water so long. My hair was over it. I was over it. The day was over it. We all were over it. So I went in with my Apogee. This is a balancing moisturizer, and that was the key. That was the key because obviously it has the pH balance that my hair needed, and it softened my hair up immediately. If you all have any issues with anything, go to Apogee for that balancing moisturizer. Okay, so I'm going to leave you with this final message, this final warning. If you're going to try this Cardi B hair mask at home, make sure that you use at least one egg and take out the other egg in the mayonnaise, or you want to just use the mayonnaise because you do not want to suffer from protein overload. I know how to go back in and give my hair that moisture, but it's just not worth it. It's not worth playing around with my hair routine, my hair journey. It wasn't worth it at all, but I'm glad I showed you all this video so that you know that if you're going to try it, that you know that you're going to use this for a protein day, as well as use one egg or some mayonnaise. Finally getting out the shower after being in the shower literally all day, I went in with a t-shirt to do the t-shirt drying method because my hair had already had enough. So I hope you all really enjoyed this video, found it very informative, because look, if you're going to try this mask, be very careful about the protein. I will see you all in my next video. Bye dolls.